Welcome to my new website, SeanMosh.com. I'm doing this video to just give you a little tour and show you around. If you've been following me for a while and love my blog and tutorials, you can click on the blog and see that everything I've done in the past is still here. But now it has categories. So if you love cards that I make, you can click on cards and just see those projects. Next up is my classes. Some of you know I've been teaching Cricut Design Space online, but now I'm expanding to add some new classes. This one right here is perfect if you're struggling with a project and you really just need some extra help. My Teach Me Cricut Design Space personal one-on-one sessions can now be booked here. And this will show you what each and every button and function in Design Space does. In my shopping area, not only will you see my different classes, but different products that I have made that you can purchase. My About area gives you a little background on me and also has a way that you can donate to support what I do. Another way you can support me is through my affiliate links. If you're shopping with any of these companies, please click on my link and then I make a small commission. I also have links to all of my social media, including my Teach Me Cricut Design Space Facebook group, my Twitter account, Instagram, and YouTube. When you first land at my website, you'll see at the top I have some featured projects. You can click through them and scroll through them, and these will change depending on what I have going on my site. If you really like them and want to share them with others, you can share them on Facebook, Twitter, send them via email, or all of these other options. Then as you scroll down, here's other ways to find the About area, my shopping area, or my classes. Right here is where you can enter your email address if you'd like to sign up for my newsletter. And then we go right into my most recent blog posts, which again, you can share through social media. So please make sure you go through the site, take a look around, and leave lots of comments. Let me know what you want to make and what you want to learn about Cricut Design Space. Your questions often turn into my next crafting tutorial and project. So welcome. Let's get crafting.